Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs. I'm about to go through some practice solves because I do have a tournament, my first one, on Saturday. It is the Ephrata Springs 2026. It's in Ephrata, Pennsylvania, and it's August 11th, 2026. So it's this Saturday. I got to be there, I think, at 8 to go through the videos and all that good stuff since I'm a newbie. So what I'm going to do now is just go through some solves. I just went through like 5 solves and I was really consistent. 130 plus or minus 2. That's average for me, so I want to do better than that, but I need to practice on having the camera on me and all that good stuff so I can be less tense if I'm less tense, I can do 130, no problem, maybe even better than that. But when I get nervous, I do the wrong algorithm, I do the wrong thing, and then I have to correct it, and then my time's shot right there. Without further ado, let's do this. Am I going to do good this tournament? Definitely. Nice.
Where the Cuban feel the flow, it's light as air. With magnets strung, it shows nowhere. From the box to my hands, the vibes alive. Oh, you Pharaoh core, let's see it bright. Oh, custom design just right. Rip it tight, let's do this tonight. Only at the cubicle, this moment is mine. We're turning heads, feeling the shine. More use craftsmanship stands the test of time. In every rotation, this cube is sublime. Each twist and turn, Ferrocore V2, it's what we earn. In the heat of the game, it's my best friend. Feel the rhythm, let the magic blend. Cuban and it's more than a toy. Your passion ignited, bringing pure joy.
139.
In the hands of a master, let it spin. More you vibes. Feel that rhythm, Ferrocore magic. The joy begins. Sliding smooth like waves in the sea we swim. that magic touch, balance in the plan. It means so much. Smoother than ever, with a glossy sheen. More used wonder, the tuba's dream. Striking looks, confidence nears, turning fast, shedding all fears. While you Pharaoh, you need design.
A furry core V2. I just got this not too long ago. This one I don't lock up on, so that's why I like it. And it's nice UV coated too. I like it. One more. Okay, I got here's my check it out.
Every single morning with my cubing
Come on.
I'm
Doing this
grinding
up already.
hard. Don't you understand? Twisting, turning, mastering my aim. In this cubing world, I'm here to claim my fame. Focus on the moves, feel the groove, every twist and turn. Yeah, I gotta improve. Practice, practice, practice. Hear the call. With determination, I won't let myself fall. Competition is tough, but I'm tougher still. Watch out,
Yes, oh, yeah,
world,
nice.
I'm climbing up the thrill. So when the lights go down at the big count day,
I think I'm doing all right. Like I said, this is my only competition, so that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna practice some more later on, and definitely some more tomorrow with the G5, because I believe that's what they're using down there. If not, I'll adapt. It's okay. If they're using 4-pad, which I don't think they are, because I don't think they do 4-pads, I can adapt to. But I just gotta, and if I mess up, I mess up. It's fine. So, that's my furry core. I love this thing. So that's all I have. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.